Our self-respect does not have a price tag. My self-respect is very dear to me. No one can stop a mass gathering of the people. Terrorism and the fight against extremism is our fight. No force, oppression, imprisonment, jail, nothing will stop me. We have to make sure we tread the right path, pursue the right policies, and not make any mistakes. Only those who vote politicians into power have the right to depose them. India and Pakistan should fight only in the field of economy. Look, the people will elect the government they think best. I've done many rallies, and it's been supercharged, highly charged. People are very receptive. We have sacrificed everything for the sake of democracy. The Constitution has to be supreme. Ours is a government elected by the people, and it will not succumb to threats. If Pakistan and Iran can live as friends, I don't know why there should be a problem with India. If Britain and France can be friendly with Germany, if the United States can be close to Canada, why not India and Pakistan? Those who were behind conspiracies against me and my government will be exposed. I said that we stand for strong relations with India. We stand for peaceful resolution of all our problems with India, including Kashmir. We are not ready to tolerate any harm coming to our country, and we will fight all powers that cause harm to our country, that work against our country's interests. We must deregulate. We must provide an investment climate by giving incentives. Drone attacks are against the national sovereignty and a challenge for the country's autonomy and independence. Therefore, we won't tolerate these attacks in our territorial jurisdictions. My party was the party which was created by Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He didn't create that party, but he was the main pillar of the party. Our party is a very forward-looking, progressive, democratic party. There is a lot of appreciation for Shehbaz Sharif. Our commitment for the cause of Pakistan is based on honesty. I am being penalized for serving the masses, putting the country on the right track, constructing motorways, and eradicating the power outages and terrorism. Pakistan is keen to promote its trade with India. We want economic ties getting stronger with India. Our business community is keen to reach out to their Indian counterparts. And of course, we want to resolve the issue of Kashmir, which is a flashpoint in our relations. If I am actually a traitor or anti-national, come and form a national commission. I will be there, and those who call me a traitor should also be there, so that the 220 million people of Pakistan can see who is the actual culprit. We all condemn terrorism. I believe that Islam is a faith of progress and welfare. We want to make Pakistan a safe place for every Pakistani regardless of his faith or ethnicity. The people will demand answers from all the dictators and the people who have not allowed this country to function. I became the Prime Minister of Pakistan through votes. whereas 5 honorable judges sent me home. I believe that God and the people of Pakistan are with me, and I hope that, somewhere, justice is still alive. We want to strengthen democracy. We applauded and endorsed the One Belt, One Road initiative, and we are proud that together with China, we are implementing its flagship mega project, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. If I take you back to the 90s, our party came up with very bold reforms in the country, economic reforms. They were really revolutionary reforms. Freedom, respect, and prosperity are never served on a plate. Investment comes to a halt in a country where sit-ins and protest rallies lead to political chaos. When I became Chief Minister of Punjab in 1985, I got Murray Road carpeted for the first time. Our armed forces have given many sacrifices to defeat terrorists and root out their hideouts. This fight will continue until all terrorists are defeated. I don't have a problem with anybody or with any institution. Investors avoid investing in a region where some elements cause political instability by their so-called movements. Jilani should be loyal to the country, the Constitution and law, and not to Zardari alone. I think for any society to develop and become a civilized society, they need an independent judiciary. The sanctity of ballot should not be trampled. What are we fighting the terrorists for if we ourselves do not even stand up for democracy, civil liberties, and fundamental rights, which includes independence of the judiciary? My conscience is clean. I will not let my family's problems become my country's problems. We have parliamentary democracy. It is the Prime Minister who runs the show, who is the chief executive of the country. The President must have powers defined under the 1973 Constitution, nothing more. There should be some other provisions in the Constitution whereby if the government is not functioning well, it can be dealt with. In a parliamentary democracy, this should be done only by Parliament. The Prime Minister should be answerable only to Parliament, and it should only be Parliament that can install him or remove him. It is not justice when you beat someone after tying their hands, but award a clean chit to another who openly confesses his crimes. I had a very good relationship with President Bill Clinton when I was Prime Minister. I think I have a good rapport with the American government.